If you are looking for an awesome dance recital bag, you're absolutely going to love this. The brand did send me this to do this review. This is the blue color. So a couple things I'm going to show you exactly. So the coolest thing about this is you can lay this down and it's going to pop up a clothes rack. Don't worry, I'm going to get to it in a second. But just wanted to show you this. So we got this handle here where you can just wheel it really easily. You can just see here, real easy to wheel back and forth, no big deal. If you are feeling strong, you could easily just pick it up like this, no problem, carry it, no big deal. So let's get this opened up and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. All right, this is what it looks like opened up. This is about 29 by 15 by 14. These are the poles. They're gonna go right in here. I'm gonna get that set up in a second, but you can see there is a ton of space in here. We also got a zippered pocket up here. Let's get this set up and I'll show you exactly how it works. All right, this is what it looks like. So you get 3 bars. So one for this side, one for this side, super easy. Just slip them in here. One goes in there and then go down there. Same on this side. And then the bar goes up just like that. Really, really awesome. Easy to use. And then when you're done, you just bring it back down. If you are looking for a great bag for dance recitals, definitely get this one. Super easy to use, super easy to wheel, easy to set up. Literally took me maybe 5 minutes, not even, and I was doing it with one hand trying to record this. So definitely go check this out.